What if you could earn up to $100 a day, automatically, while you sleep, work, or relax? Introducing EmeTrader, a powerful AI-driven trading bot that's 100% free to download on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This isn't just any bot. EmeTrader is designed to trade some of the most volatile and profitable markets, crypto and gold. It runs on a proven moving average algorithm, a smart system that tracks price trends, detects market momentum, and makes precise buy or sell decisions, all in real time. No more emotional decisions. No more staring at charts for hours. EmeTrader is optimized for both beginners and experienced traders. Once installed on MT4 or MT5, just connect it to your trading account, set your preferred risk level, and let it go to work. It's like having a personal trader who never sleeps, never gets tired, and never misses a signal. Even with a small starting balance, many users are seeing steady gains, averaging $50 to $100 a day, especially when trading gold and top crypto pairs like Bitcoin or Ethereum. And the best part, EmeTrader is completely free. No subscription fees. No hidden costs. Just download, set up, and start trading smarter. Alright guys, this is not a sponsored video, this is my real account. I decided to test this free trading bot called EmeTrader, and I'm honestly impressed. So right here you can see my MetaTrader 4 account. I started with just around $1,000, and within a few days, this bot has been pulling in consistent profits. Yesterday, just over $80 just in a few hours. And today, I'm already up more than $254 on demo account. This bot works best on the gold and crypto markets, gold or BTC, because of the volatility. It uses a moving average strategy, which basically follows the trend and catches momentum at the right time. No fancy indicators. No overcomplication. I didn't change any complicated settings. I just installed it on MT4, connected my broker, picked the gold chart, and let it run. And yeah, this is real money. It's not a demo account. It's not paper trading. This is actual profit, made on autopilot. Now of course, results vary. Nothing is guaranteed. But for a free bot, this is hands down the most solid tool I've tried lately. If you're curious, I'll drop the download link below. It works on both MT4 and MT5, and it's totally free. No subscription, no BS. Try it on a demo first if you want. Or go straight to real. Just manage your risk, and let the AI do its thing. EmeTrader. So far, this thing is a beast. Ready to let AI take your trading to the next level? Download EmeTrader now for MT4 or MT5 and experience what it's like to have a money-making machine right at your fingertips. So yeah, that's what's been happening with EmeTrader on my real account. Honestly, I wasn't expecting much at first, but after seeing it hit over $200 in a single day, I figured, okay, this bot deserves a closer look. I'm gonna keep using it for the next few weeks, testing it on different pairs, mostly gold and crypto, maybe a few Forex ones too, and I'll be sharing everything here. Like full account updates, how I manage the risk settings, the best time frames I've tested, and also how to set it up properly on MT4 and MT5. Especially if you're new to bots or just getting started with trading. So if you're into this kind of thing, making passive income with AI, testing bots, learning how to trade smarter, feel free to stick around. Hit subscribe, drop a like if this helped you, and comment if there's something specific you want me to cover next. We're keeping it simple, chill, and real here. No fake hype, just honest testing, real numbers, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching. And I'll catch you in the next video.